2017 Prius battery replacement. Your battery's right here. Make sure your car is off and the keys out of the vehicle. We're going to go right here to this hold down. It's a 12 millimeter. You got a 10 millimeter here on the negative and a 10 millimeter here on the positive right here. This one here. We're going to loosen those up, get the battery out and replace it. I have a long extension on my 12 millimeter so I can reach down here. Go ahead and unscrew this all the way, and then we're going to lift the hold down out. Just go ahead and pull this out. Careful not to drop it. Alright, so remove this. I just put it up here. Don't lose the bolt. Next, we got this 10 millimeter. We're going to bust this nut right here on this clamp. It doesn't have to be all the way off, just loosen it, and then you should be able to wiggle this back and forth and lift it off. You could put a rag on the clamp so it doesn't keep hitting the post, like that. And then do our positive. Careful not to arc the frame. As you can see, it's kind of close to my ratchet. So go ahead and get that off. Same thing, just kind of have this out of the way. Now I'm going to pull the battery out off camera because I need two hands to do it. Careful when you're lifting it out. Make sure that you don't drop it or nothing. Here's my replacement battery. I got it from the dealership. Any battery you get, if you get it from wherever, match it up. Make sure it's the right size, the same CCA. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in. I can remove this cover. Positive goes on first, as always. Go and get that on. Tighten it down, the 10 millimeter. Again, being careful not to arc on the frame right there. Alright, now we'll go and take these little covers. Sometimes batteries come with these little covers. Go and get those off. And I'll get this on. As you can see, it sparked a little bit. That's okay. Just get it on, tighten it down. Alright, and then we're going to get the battery hold down in. It goes in this way. And be careful not to lose the bolt. I dropped it and it almost disappeared on me, just like my dad. And get that tightened down. Just like that. Alright guys, that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. See you next video.